Hey dolls, it's Bridget here. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm so excited to show you all the eye look I'm going to create for Valentine's Day when I go out to dinner for Valentine's Day with my boyfriend. I hope you all like it. I'm going to be using our Pro Eyeshadow Palette 3.0, our To The Point Double-Ended Liquid Eyeliner, 2 shades of our Hydrolux Smoothing Eyeliners, and of course our Everlash Mascara. So follow along if you would like to see how I created this eye look for Valentine's Day. The first product I'm going to be using in my Valentine's Day date night look is the Pro Eyeshadow Palette 3.0. We invite you to create your own love story using this palette, and today I'm going to show you mine. I'm going to start off with a transition shade called Tutu. It's this really pretty rose pink, and I'm just going to take the double-ended eyeshadow brush number 10, dip the fluffy side of the brush into it, and just put it onto my crease. So this transition shade, you want it to be pretty subtle because you want all your other shadows to blend into it. And you can see it right here on my crease. Next, I'm going to dip into a little deeper shade. I'm going to use the shade Hazel. And now I'm going to put this on my outer corner to create a smoked out look. So you can either stop here and have this nice smoked look, or take it one step further and deepen your outer crease to create the really smoked out date night look. So to go from day to night really easily with this palette, you can just dip into the shade Cameo right here and put it on your outer corner and go in circular motions to create a nice smoked out look. Next, I'm going to dip into this really pretty shimmery rose quartz shade called Quartz. I'm going to use the flat side of the brush. I'm going to pick up some of the powder and just blot it onto my lid. And there's my date night look. I just went from day to night in 2 easy steps using our Pro Eyeshadow Palette 3.0. So now I have my other eye done, and that was so easy to do. What's really cool and unique about this palette is that it's this unique cream to powder formula, so blending is so incredibly easy. Plus, they're poured and not pressed, so there's a zero fallout, so you won't have shadow hiding under your eye when you're trying to go in for your Valentine's Day kiss. Now my shadow's done, I'm going to move on to eyeliner. I like to use our To The Point Double-Ended Liquid Eyeliner. We have one side to line and another side to define, so you can create that nice line wing and then go in with the defined side and make it just that more crisp. So I'm going to start off with the line side. I'm just going to close my eye and tug at it, and then I'm going to trace the outline of the wing. Now I have that done, and I like to start my wing in the middle of my eye where my pupil would be, and then go outward. I feel as though if I bring it all the way into my tear duct, it makes my eye look smaller, and I don't want that when my eyes look bigger. So now, going in with the defined side, I'm going to make my wing just a little bit more crisp and perfect for Valentine's Day. So you can see, I just got a nice crisp wing using our To The Point Double-Ended Liquid Eyeliner in shade Cafe Noir. I'm now going to move on to my other eye. Last but not least, our Everlash Mascara. This is our Powerhouse 6-in-1 mascara. It goes to work lengthening, volumizing, styling, conditioning, curling, and separating your lashes. And there you go, here is my date to night Valentine's Day date night eye look. I hope you dolls enjoyed this. Let me know what you think if you're going to recreate this on Thursday for Valentine's Day. I'm so excited to hear. Thanks for following along, dolls. Make sure you subscribe below and let us know what you think. Bye.